Nescafe 3-in-1 at ng Nescafe Classic.
Magandang umaga. May isa akong commercial na napanood at ang sinabi sa commercial na yon, just do it. At ako'y naniniwala doon dahil ang mga risks sa buhay natin, kapag hindi natin sinubukan ang mga bagay na kinakatakutan natin dati o hindi pa natin na-experience, parang we're not living life to the fullest, diba? Pero para maramdaman naman natin na kompleto tayo, sometimes you just have to do it. Things that scare you o mga bagay na dati mo pang gustong itry na hindi mo pa natatry o mga bagay na baka naman makabubuti sa inyo na hindi nyo pa nalalaman sa mga araw na to. But you will never know until you try. Have a great day. Magandang umaga. Kaya naman, makisali na sa kwentuhan ng totoong pinagdadaanan, totoong nararamdaman. Simpleng palitan ng karanasan, simple at totoo. Ang Simply Casey. Alam mo, itong Simply Casey makes me feel like I am living life the fullest. Kaya naman gusto mo magtanong sa audience natin, anong pangalan mo?
Mary Rose po.
Mary Rose. Mary Rose, ano sabi mo isang bagay sa buhay mo na nagagawa mo o nakakapagbigay sa'yo ng feeling na you've lived life to the fullest?
Gusto ko po muna kasing makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Tapos pag okay na po yung pag-aaral ko, nakapagtapos na po ako. Gusto ko tulungan ko po muna yung pamilya ko.
Sino bang pinaka-close mo sa pamilya mo?
Nanay ko po.
Nanay mo. O sige, sabihin mo sa kanya, mag-enjoy siya this morning dahil naging guest ka sa Simply Casey, Mary Rose. Ang ating mga guests today ay walang takot, walang inuurungang hamon. Ganyan ang tandem na kasama natin ngayong umaga dahil ang motto nila sa buhay ay live life to the fullest. At para ikwento sa atin ang mga risky adventures nila, narito ang mga hosts ng Sports Unlimited, Diane Castillejo and Mark Nelson. Good morning! Good morning, Diane. Hi! Have a seat. How are you?
Good. It's an experience getting all made up and everything.
I know,
Hi. Okay, so are you guys mga gising ba kayo sa umaga o sa gabi?
Yeah, we're a little different. I mean, Diane will be up early in the morning because she's just woken up. I'll be up early in the morning because I haven't gone to sleep yet.
Diane, did you grow up in the Philippines? Di ba you were born here?
Yeah, I was born here, pero kasi naglaro ako ng professional tennis. So I've been traveling since I was like 14.
Oh, because ang rilig namin, you were part of the 200 rankings, is that?
Yeah. Well, I got a world ranking sa, they call it WTA, Women's Tennis Association.
Ang galing! Nakapag-Wimbledon and US
Yes,
Open ka
yeah,
na. Grabe! Mark, what about you? Hindi ka taga-Pilipinas, di ba?
That is correct. The only Filipino
pusong
part of...
Pinoy.
I love
Diba?
Pinoy. This is my home. My friends here are my family. This is where, after living in 8 different countries all over the world, this is where I've decided to settle down and lay my roots.
Saan ka na nakatira before?
Before here,
Saan tumira sa
well, I was living in the States for a while, Canada, Hong Kong, Australia, of course,
Africa.
Tanzania. When I finished university, it was in my blood already so much that I was like, okay, well, I'm done with school, got a backpack, I've got a one-way ticket, I'm going, I don't know when I'm coming home. So technically, I'm still on my gap year from Australia.
Pero wala kang pamilya dito.
Wala. But it's okay. All my family come and visit me, and my friends here are my family.
I remember when we first met, that time naghahanap kami ng guest co-host, sabi ni Jackie, Diane, tanongin mo si Mark, gusto niya. oh, sige, we'll ask him. And then he was supposed to leave, not to go back to San Francisco to work. I mean, to leave the Philippines for good. Then he goes, sige,
Yeah, I'll guess for a couple of
I'll move
episodes.
one day, right?
Yeah.
You said, and then so we shot, and
So,
then
nag-extend ka.
Yeah, I extended.
extend. It's been
Tira,
9 years.
dito.
And then after guesting on their show for a few weeks, I was like, oh man, this is so much fun. I mean, this is this sort of thing that I've always dreamt of doing. I'm an outdoors kind of guy,
Yes.
and I love to travel. It's in my blood. So having the opportunity to do this with Diane and the Sports Unlimited crew,
Yeah.
I was like, wow, this is work? Are you kidding me?
I guess it doesn't feel like work kapag mahal ninyo yung trabaho ninyo.
Yeah, that's
Ta-da.
true.
But did you ever have odd jobs? I mean, I would think
yeah.
you
I
would
have-
this guy.
I've done everything and anything.
Katulad ng...
From being a paper boy when I was a kid, working for a supermarket, selling audiovisual equipment in an office as a courier, teaching kids gymnastics in Canada.
Kids gymnastics.
Yes,
Okay.
teaching English in Bulgaria, data entry in Sweden.
So do you think that all those experiences helped you with your job that you're doing now?
Absolutely. I mean, everything is a learning experience, no matter what you do, whether you're good at it, whether you're not so good at it, you learn something from that. It was
Ako
good.
nakatulong yung tennis career ko kasi when I was traveling with my tennis, I was 14. I was going all over Europe by myself, carrying all my maletas, catching the train, you know, this like making your own schedule, finding your own training partner, to be responsible for everything. So parang, yun, so many different situations. So,
Ay, nako. Well, marami pa kaming aalamin about the two of you behind the cameras as well and before you even got to Sports Unlimited. Of course, aalamin din natin kung paano na bago ang buhay nila Mark and Diane dahil sa kanilang pagiging risk-takers bilang mga adventurers, di ba? Huwag kayong aalis, magbabalik kami. Magandang umaga. Okay, wow! Hello guys! We are back on 50 Casey with Mark Nelson and Diane Castillejo. When it comes to risk-taking, syempre, hindi naman forever ang sports. Malungkot man isipin. When did you retire?
I think I was about 25 or 26. I was so lost, to be honest. I had no idea what I was gonna do kasi yun lang ang parang focus ko sa buong buhay ko. Gusto ko maging tennis champion. I wanna be ranked in the world. And then I got a call out of the blue. I know it was from God. Out of the blue, I got a call from ABS na if you wanted to audition kasi may opening sila for sports anchor. So yun, so I auditioned. And then yun, napasok na ako dito.
Another achievement for you.
Yes.
Napanood kita kasi sa Amazing Race.
Yeah, I represented the country that I've fallen in love with, that
Which
has
is?
adopted me, which is the Philippines, of
Yes.
course. And it also gave me an opportunity to make my adopted country proud. To do as well as I could. That's why, you know, if you ever watch the race, we had Philippine flags everywhere. I carried that flag in my backpack, hoping and praying that we would get to the final pit stop and we would be able to run up there holding that flag.
Pero sabi nga na every race starts with mental preparation.
Yeah.
Kailangan makita mo kung anong gagawin mo. Bago mo pa i-train ng physical, kailangan meron ka ng goal, di ba?
Yeah.
Is that the same with being a mother and a wife?
Well, yeah, I think it was kind of natural because, you know, the guy that I married, my first boyfriend in high school. So he will be my first and my last kiss.
Yes! Uy, grabe. Pang teleserye. Teleserye. Ang
Yeah.
ganda naman. But then, everything happened ideally. You got married to your first boyfriend. Nabuntis ka in marriage.
Yeah, 3 years after. That was probably the biggest risk that I took. Kasi when I got pregnant, Casey, hindi ko sinabi sa asawa ko for 3 months. I was so scared. Feeling ko hindi ako capable to take care of a child.
The only time you've
Yeah.
ever really seen Diane scared is the thought of having a child.
Okay, I'll let Mark may kwento something.
Okay.
What?
All right.
About taking it.
Just to give you an example of
But I'm
how.
not like that anymore, ha? I have to clarify that hindi na ako ganon. I love my son and I'm
How old is your
with him
son?
almost all the time.
It's okay, we believe you.
She was at the gym. She was doing weights the day of her birth.
Ha?
That she gave birth.
Nag-delivery?
Yeah. She just, but
Manganganak ka na lang, nagwe-weights ka pa.
okay. So she gives birth to a beautiful bouncing baby boy named Matthew. And then she's there, she's lying in bed, she's like, oh, and the nurse comes in and says, oh, Mom Diane, here's your baby. She's like, oh, okay, oh, it's so nice.
I said,
oh,
okay.
sweet. And then she's like, Ma'am, the baby's hungry. She's like, oh, okay. And what? No.
Akala ko tapos na ako, nanganak na ako. I ended up breastfeeding 3 years. Pure. So it was like from nothing, and then now, my God, I can't imagine my life without my son.
Your turn to answer my question.
Oh, boy.
Mark Nelson, are you willing to take the risk?
What?
What risk?
Settling down?
Oh, yeah.
You know what? I don't think the concept of settling down should be viewed as a risk.
Yes.
And when you're ready and you meet the right person and everything seems right, I don't think it would seem like a risk. People have always asked, "Oh, what age
kasi
do you
nasa
plan
kultura
to get?
natin.
What age do you
Yeah.
plan to get married?" I don't plan to get married at a certain age because then once you reach that age, you're thinking, "Oh well, I've hit my use by date. Who's
So,
available?"
sino yung- yeah.
Yeah, and then you're going to settle, and that's not the right way of getting married.
Mark, what kind of partner are you?
I think I'm a fairly easygoing partner.
Chap.
Yes, absolutely.
You know what? No, really. I'm not making a plug for you, but pero this guy is really, really nice. He would be a great boyfriend.
Yeah, I become a little bit pathetic when I have a girlfriend sometimes.
Okay. Well, pathetic is better than possessive. Gusto mo yun?
Agree.
Okay. Well, we will find out more about Mark Nelson and about Diane Castillejo at kanilang mga risky adventures in life. Ay, ang swerte natin na magkakasama tayong tatlo. Huwag po kayo nga alis, magbabalik.
Thumbs Talk.
We are back! Speaking of all the great adventures of these two well-known people, syempre kilala naman natin sina Mark and Diane dahil sa Sports Unlimited. What about the more obvious adventures but still exciting nonetheless, yung mga ginagawa ninyo for your work?
Skydiving.
That's an
Diving.
skydiving.
Yeah, that's a different type of
Sa
diving.
Australia yan.
Ay, grabe!
Tandem.
So in your first skydive, you have a tandem, yung instructor nakatali sa'yo. So
Pero hanggang sa swimming.
I know, the
Yeah.
feeling is like a super strong
Wow.
air blower on your face. It's grabe.
And it feels like you're almost absorbing the
Yeah.
oxygen. You don't even need to breathe. You've got your mouth open. It's being pushed into your body.
Yeah.
I highly recommend it. I think you should try it.
Skydiving.
Yes.
Okay, and this is another
This
one.
is bungee jumping.
Bungee jumping.
Yes, that was so much fun.
Ito ha,
Ay, ano ba yun?
Yeah.
ito ha, isa sa pinaka nakakatakot na adventures that we ever did. And I know I was squealing like a pig here. That's me.
That was me.
Yeah, there I am.
This is
Look at
Diane.
Ready na ba? Ay!
It's a free fall in the beginning. It's a
Bakit yung
free
isa
fall.
tumama sa tubig?
They ask you, and this
Yeah,
is
if you wanna touch.
how well they judge it. They say, "Okay, would you like to get wet?" I was like, "Absolutely, I want to get wet." Well, how much do you want to get wet? I was like, "I don't know, maybe to about here." They weigh you, they measure you, they adjust the bungee cord, and boom, exacto.
Alam na nila.
Down to here, no
Yeah.
further.
Nasa
Perfect.
numbers lang pala.
I think
Kailangan pala
me, I
magaling sa
asked,
math.
I think me, I asked not to touch the water,
Yeah.
di ba?
Oh, yeah. Is this you?
Oh yeah, this
Yes.
is in South Africa. It's one of the few places na pwede kang... Oh, look, see the sharks? So yeah, and then the shark comes... They put
Ay, sandali lang. Nangangain tao yung mga yan, di ba?
They're quick. They're very quick, and they're huge.
Pero were you surprised, ikaw, dito sa Pilipinas, ang dami palang pwedeng adventures na gawin? Mark, ano yung isa? Kasi gusto ko rin mag-explore, syempre, yung bansa natin. Syempre, ano yung pinaka-exciting na nagawa mo dito sa bansa natin?
Oh, that's a hard question.
After 9 years on the show, I would say that if you only had to choose one adventure to do in the Philippines,
Donsol.
Donsol.
Anong meron doon?
Swimming with the whale sharks.
Swimming
in
with the
Donsol.
butanding.
Imagine, this is the biggest fish
You're
in
like
the ocean.
40, 50 feet long.
They're the size of a bus,
Yeah.
and you're in there. They're enormous, and you're so close. You're as close as you
You're
and I are right now.
above. It's an incredible experience.
It is
actually.
a
It's an unforgettable,
life-changing experience.
You know what? I really think if you live in Metro Manila, I think para makasurvive ka, you really have to go out. Ganda sa Pilipinas, super green. So,
At marami pang madidiscover. Ang dami pang untouched na lugar.
you know
Everywhere.
what? I'll tell you, as a Filipino, talagang masasabi ko, talagang marami tayong may pagmamalaking mga lugar dito that are so beautiful. The Philippines with our people, sobrang warm tayo, sobrang accommodating, and then yung mga lugar natin, sobrang ganda. We really have more tourists come here. So, sana may pagmalaki natin and visit these places and invite more
Ay,
people.
talaga. Ipagpipray natin yan lahat. And we are a young country.
Yeah.
And we have people like Mark na talagang pumupunta dito, nagiging pusong Pinoy na talaga.
Yeah.
To appreciate the country. So why not?
Mark,
Oh.
Pakita mo naman, marunong ka mag-Tagalog.
Ako? Hindi.
Oo.
Hindi ko nandidihan ng Tagalog kasi
Pero nakakapagsa ka.
hindi. Konti lang.
Kaya mo
sana,
naman eh.
Dahan-dahan lang
Oo.
pwede. Taglish.
Very good.
Kaya mo yan.
Ay, nosebleed ako eh.
Ang funny this guy. May kamot pa eh, no? Oh, sige, Mark, eto ha. Risk
what?
taker ka, di ba? Ikaw na lang mag-QGAP.
Oh, certainly.
Kasi kailangan na natin mag-commercial, guys. Tagalog
Ay,
ka.
patay ako. Sige, mga kaibigan. Babalik mamaya dito sa Simply Casey.
Simply Casey would like to thank Muebles Asia, Daki,
Magandang umaga. Mark, eh.
Salamat.
Kung tinatago mo naman yung secret talent mo na yan, eh.
I think you're cuter when you speak Tagalog, di ba?
Okay. Don't forget to follow us on twitter.com/KC_Concepcion or twitter.com/
Diane Castillejo
Yes.
is my Twitter account. You can follow me there.
And mine is twitter.com/quick-off-the-mark
Quick
with a C.
off the mark.
And then also try to follow us on Sports Unlimited. We have our Sports Unlimited Facebook fan page. At thanks pala for all the fans who always give all your comments to Sports Unlimited, and hope we can have more exciting shows. And we hope to have Casey one time.
To guest on our
It's only fair. We've guessed it on your show. You have to guess on ours.
Okay, I'm so excited for that. Why is it important to take risks in life or kahit yung mga ganyang mga adventures ninyo?
You know, everyone should get out of their comfort zone. That's one of the taglines of Sports Unlimited. Taking people out of their comfort zone. Unless you take a risk, you go out there, you try something different, try something new, you're never really going to learn and appreciate new things.
Yes.
It's a big, wide world out there. And here in the Philippines, it's an amazing one. So you really need to get out there and experience it.
I can show you the world. It's my theme song. Okay, go
Yeah,
ahead.
well, siyempre, para mag-grow tayo, kailangan may konting change. And then, siyempre, if you don't change what you're doing or where you're going, hindi ka mag-change. Parang you're so comfortable kung saan ka, so hindi ka mag-grow. So, the risk, minsan nakakatakot, but I think kung mag-pray ka muna and then ask God for direction and then, have people around you who love you, and then I think that you'll find that you can do so much more and be so much more if you just try new things. It's an amazing world that we live in.
Yeah,
Life is amazing.
Definitely. And like you mentioned, never settle.
Yep.
Diba? Sabi nila, do one thing every week that scares you. Sabi nga nila, just do it. Marami na namang tayo natutunan today. Have a great morning and go fight it! Good morning, guys! Ano yung mga pinagkaiba ninyong dalawa? Bukod sa height?
May laman ako.
Sinong mas talented sa inyong dalawa?
Siyempre ako, pagdating sa sayawan.
Ay, so pala si Dance Princess.
Oo, nagkamali ka na. At ba siya? Wait, ang maganda ako dito. Dedicated ka sa work. Yes. Pag meron na sa kanya umaaway o meron ng issue, hindi niya talaga pinapatulan.
Marami naman lumalapit sa'yo, di ba?
Maganda naman siguro ako.
Ay naman!
Ang programang ito'y inihatid sa inyo ng New